Alright, so apparently, now Inventor has a gun, a proper gun. This is hilarious. This is actually hilarious. I love this. This is amazing right here. Ouch! I'm horrible at aiming. I'm gonna only use the pistol. Pistol. What the fuck is wrong with me? I'm gonna only use the pistol and rebar. What? This is not I want to garbage. Boom. Okay, how much stress that has. This is hilarious. This is hilarious. The Glock is why do I keep saying Glock? This isn't a Glock. This gun, funny little pistol. This is hilarious. Oh my god, I'm gonna upgrade it. I'm burning it. Glock. Why do I keep saying Glock? Come on. I'm gonna gun down that goddamn. What? I move. I swear to God, bro, if I see a heavy, that's it. Kill him! Kill him! But I don't see a goddamn thing festive about that minigun. Sure. I can't believe I tanked a rocket there. What the hell? I hit him like 15 times. crazy loud house. That's actually fucking hilarious. I just use artillery. Fucking Christ. This is no, it's not. A Glock. It's not a Glock. Why do I keep saying that?
I was planning that all along.
No, I need to reload. He's literally one shot, bro. He's literally one shot. That makes me so mad. Bro, that makes me actually incredibly mad, bro. Bruh. Damn it. I could have killed another heavy with a Glock. Oh my wow! Something fucking fell on me. Ow. Legos just flew everywhere. There's a little Lego head on top of my desk. Okay, bro. I'm getting so fucking mad. I'm sure it's still recording. Sometimes it just keep hit. Nope, you're not recording. Stop, not nice, bad. Idiot. No! No, you fucking... Oh my god. No, no. Okay. I'm pissed. I missed my pistol. Stupid. Yo, why did I aim to the side of him? Alright, let's go. That's hilarious. No, don't kill him. He's friendly. Motherfucker. Oh, I swear I'm gonna break my damn desk. I get so bloody mad sometimes. Please this time. Trying to charge the enemies.
Five.